Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Citi Double Cash Card, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Citi Double Cash Card, start by gathering your account information. Make sure you have your card number, social security number, and any other identification ready. Visit the official Citi website or open the Citi mobile app. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option that mentions Card Services or Manage My Cards. Select the option to close or cancel your card. You may be prompted to verify your identity through security measures. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your request. Alternatively, you can call Citi's customer service for assistance. Dial the number on the back of your card to reach a representative. Inquire about the cancellation process and provide the necessary information. Be prepared for the representative to ask questions about your decision to cancel. Confirm your intent to close your account with the representative. Ask if there are any final steps or confirmations you should expect. After the cancellation is complete, keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Make sure to check your account for any pending transactions before your account is fully closed. Destroy your physical card for security reasons. Finally, monitor your credit report to confirm that the account reflects the closure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.